Welcome guys. As I said, I'm on my Facebook. I had by mistake, I actually closed the video that I was shooting. So welcome to another video and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time that you're actually on YouTube and on my channel, well, hopefully it's not the first time that you're on YouTube, but if it's the first time that you're on my channel, hopefully you enjoy the content. If you do, I want you to do two things for me, okay? This is just a courtesy for me. Let me drop a comment in the comment section to let me know what you think of my content, because your feedback is very valuable for me personally, because I need it to actually make more videos or not. So hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you actually want to see more content from me, okay? But I will be coming out on a daily basis any which ways to send out more information about things. Now, for you guys who don't know, the channel is mainly about marketing, and it's about teaching how to build a consistent foundation and income online. You can use the same techniques offline. You can use the same techniques in anything that you do. If you want to do it for free, just build a, be an influencer, whatever it is. Now, in today's video, we're going to talk about the tools that I use in order for me to build my business. What kind of tools do you need to build an online business, right? Well, the tools do two things for you, and this is what I want to get across. And I'm going to give you an example of actually telling you what it is. So I put it out here. It automates a system. Okay, the tools are part of your system. Okay, the tools that you have create a system for yourself. Remember that the tools alone don't help. Together, if you package the tools rightly enough, they become a system. Okay, and what does a system do for you? A system does two things. As I wrote here, it creates a foundation for you. Okay, this is why I wrote found, and it automates it for you. Now, the automation side of it is really simple. I want you to think about you teaching the guitar or a musical instrument. Now that you have so many online courses, that becomes part of the system for the people who are teaching. You can still do concerts, you can still go out and teach people, but at the same time, you have a course set aside where you can allow a majority of the masses to actually learn. Whether this is free, whether this is paid, it's up to you. Okay, but it allows you to automate it, because when you're sleeping on one side of the world, on the other side of the world, there might be a person out there who's interested in what you're doing, who wants to learn from you. And if you are willing enough, you create these systems to automate that process and help more people around the world. Okay, so I get really excited about these systems, because one of the things that happens in the internet marketing space, in the online marketing space, is that people look for shiny objects and they look for push button miracles. And I'm not one of those people who will tell you to go about doing that. Okay, if there's a launch of a product, if there's a new thing that's out there, maybe the product is worth it, but I would like to not jump from one shiny object to the other, and as it's called, even shiny object syndrome. Okay, and a push button miracles, like you just want to be lazy money. Well, lazy money can exist if you put in the work in the beginning for it to exist in the future. For example, the tools that you use can actually be a source of income for yourself. If you teach others to use the same tools in the way that you're doing it for the masses, you can go out and actually sell it for yourself and create presentations on the tools that we use. Okay, so it can generate an income for you. You can be using the same tools for the next 10 years, and that's not going to change. Okay, it all depends on what kind of mindset you have in automating it. Okay, so that automation, there are 24 hours in the day, it gives you more time freedom. The more you think about automation, it's not about the more sales you get. That's one small aspect of it. Okay, for me personally, and I hope that this resonates with you as well, it's about time freedom. I have 24 hours in the day. I want time to spend with my family. I want time to go out with my friends. I want the time to do things that I like. And automating it through systems allows me to do that. Is it a little more of an expense? Definitely. But if I treat my business as a business and not a hobby, then it'll generate more income for myself, right? Think about that. Let it settle in. If you want, watch the video again to understand this whole concept of automating to get more time freedom or get more freedom in general. Okay, and then we have a foundation. It creates a stable foundation for yourself in terms of actually building processes. Okay, different big companies all have processes. Okay, if you work for a company that is just starting off, when you join the company, what are you doing? You find out the internal process of the company, you abide by the rules and regulations of the company, and that's how it creates the foundation, a strong foundation for then scalability. So it creates that foundation for you. So these tools do that on a day-to-day basis. So what I've put together for myself, okay, is called the Pro System. Now, the Pro System for me is a system that I built that promotes two things. One, it helps me market and automate my marketing regime, let's say my routine. And at the same time, it generates me sales and leads and business. Okay, more clients, more business, more people. At the same time, okay, the Pro System helps me with a wealth management side of my business. Okay, so there's both these aspects here of pure foundation. What I got to do is go out and talk about it, send people to the link through the system, and the system presents itself. So it creates that foundation for me where I can literally leverage my time in the right way. So hopefully you get and understand this concept which I'm talking about, because it's actually really valuable if you understand the mentality of where I'm getting at. So these tools are two tools that I use. One is email marketing. Okay, one is email marketing, and don't think that email marketing is dead, because now more and more people are using email marketing. It's more visible, and it can be more profitable for you to have email marketing there. So that's one of the tools that I follow up. I create a relationship with people and I talk to them. Okay, if I can't physically talk to them, I can talk to them by email, and I need to share that with them. Okay. And the second thing is creating the fact that you can have a tool that creates these systems for you. So those are the tools that you have. I'm going to leave a link on this section right here. And actually, I'm going to play this video. It's just 35 seconds. So I want you to think really carefully and listen. Welcome, guys. I want to make sure that you understand something. In business, it's going to be really difficult for you to go on if you don't have the right tools. If you're tired of looking from shiny object to shiny object to shiny object to shiny object and everything telling you and promising you the world, I use a couple of tools that have brought me income on a monthly basis, okay, literally monthly basis, and are fundamental for any business. So I want you to click on the button below, enter your name and email address, and once you do, I'm going to show you the exact two tools that I use. So I'm not sure if you actually could hear that video or listen to it, but I'm just sharing with you a little bit more. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video and check out these tools. This is not something that's going away today. If this resonates with you and you really want to actually find out more, go ahead and do it. Enter your name, enter your email address, and get free instant access to the tools that I use. And then it's up to you whether you want the same tools. If you get it, this is a bonus for you guys for watching this video. And I want to thank you for staying up till this moment of the video. If you do it and get the tools that I am talking to you about, I will also show you, depending on your interest, depending on what you want, we will have a one-to-one session where I can actually bring about the best value for you in your time to use these tools. Okay, have a great day. My name is David Pinto. I'm going to see you on the next video, and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true, guys. Have a great day.